Hello everyone in Cyber World. Welcome back to another project. I'm Richard, aka Poor Man.
And I'm Jennifer, aka Mrs. Poorman. Today's project is building a shoe rack.
Today we were supposed to do a video on a toilet fill valve, but we ran into some technical issues, so we're going to have to hold on and do that hopefully next week. So in its place, we just finished another project for a shoe display rack that we were very happy about, and so let's take a look at what we did. Went out and bought some shelves, but I don't plan on using it for shelves. With our new Kreg shelf pin jig, Mrs. Poorman was able to easily drill evenly spaced holes.
Mr. Poorman then attached a strip of LED lights along the back of one of the walls.
I then cut a few pieces that would be used to hold everything together. I pre-drilled screw holes needed for assembly.
Using scrap from our closet organizer build, we cut out pieces that would be used to secure the box to the wall. Mr. Poorman had no chance of lifting this, so I did the heavy lifting for him.
While Wonder Woman held up the shelf by herself, I anchored the support piece directly to the wall studs and into the adjoining closet organizer. Next, we're going to be adding some pins into the sides here so that we can lay shelves onto them. Obviously, I made some kind of a mistake because the shelves were just a fraction wider than I'm comfortable with. Had to go back, and we purchased some longer pins thanks to Mrs. Poorman's idea. So now, now we're going to go ahead and install these so that we can start putting in the shelves for this project. For the next part of this build, since there's no power in the closet to connect the LED lights to, we're going to connect it to this outlet here, which is actually in the bedroom, and we're going to use some conduit to feed the cable to go around, so at least it's semi-clean. And in addition, we automate everything, so we are going to connect the power source to a smart plug and allow us to use Alexa to turn it on and off. Begin by plugging in the Amazon switch, open up the Alexa device, click Add Device,
Select Plug, then select Amazon. Lastly, click Next and allow Alexa to find and add the new plug.
Now to cut some conduit down to size. Then peel and stick in place.
Finally, we added the screw cover stickers.
Alexa, turn on the closet.
And there you have it, another fun project finished. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please comment, like, or subscribe. Next week we will show you how to install a toilet fill valve. Until then, bye-bye.